What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video, I'll show you how to draw a Christmas gnome. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page and draw an oval for the nose. We'll start right in the middle at the very top and go out towards the side and pull that in towards the middle. Extend this out towards the right and we'll pull that back up towards the top. Now you want to drape the hat on top of the nose. So we'll start on the left side. Just going to bend the hat coming down and then out towards the side. Just round out the edge of the hat, pull this in, and then bend that up. Now we want to add a fold along the top of the nose. We'll start on the left, bend this up, go across, and then down. Now let's draw the side of the hat going up towards the top. We're going to start on the left. Just going to bend this in, go up and out. Let's go to the right and do the same. Coming in, up, and then out. Let's round out the left side of the head, going around and bending that in. Let's go back over towards the right, round out the side, come up, and then in towards the middle. Now I'm going to bend the hat going out towards the right side. Going around, and we'll bend that down. Let's go back over towards the left side and bend this up. And I just want to taper the hat so it gets narrower as we come down towards the tip. Let's add a simple pattern across the hat. In the center, we're going to step up. Start with a point. Come down and out towards the left and right side. And from the bottom, angle this up and out towards the side of the hat. And we'll pull this down towards the bottom. Now I want to trace that same shape along the top. So in the center, we'll step up, start with another point. And follow those lines coming down. Go up towards the side, and then back down. Now let's add two diamond shapes along the side. On the left, come down and out towards left and right, and come in towards the center. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Let's add a half diamond on the side, coming in and then back out. Let's add that same pattern along the top. We're going to start right in the middle with a point, go up and out toward the left and right, and pull that down and out towards the side. And I'll trace that same shape along the top. Start with the left, going up, and then down. Now let's add one diamond in the center. Let's add one more point aiming out towards the right. So go straight across and straight down. And do the same thing along the outside. Let's move down underneath the nose and add in the mouth. We're going to start over on the left, then it's down, and then up like a half oval. Now underneath the mouth, we're going to add a fold for the lower lip. Let's add a curve along the inside of the mouth for the tongue. And we'll fill in the top. Now we tuck the beard in underneath the hat. Let's start over on the left side with a curve going around and then in. And we'll pull that back up with a short curve to create a point. Let's do that again. Coming down and in. And we'll add that point. Now on the left side, we're going to bend this down, in towards the middle, and then bend that back out towards the left. On the right side, let's curve this around and out, bend this back in, come down and out towards the left. Now you want to layer the body in behind the beard. And start on the side, we're going to step out. Just going to curve this around and just bend that in. Just line this up on the right, going out, around, and then in. Now we'll add a fold along the bottom. We'll step out, curve around, just bend this in towards the middle, go across, and then back in on the right side. Let's give our character some arms. We're going to start on the left side of the beard, curve this up and out towards the wrist, bend this around and then down. Just bend the arms back in towards the side of the body. I'm going to add a fold on the outside, just following that same curve going around. Now at the top of the wrist, we're going to point the thumbs going up. We're going to go up and then bend that down. On the outside of the thumb, bend the hand going out. Just going to round this out and then pull that in towards the bottom of the wrist. Now I'm going to add a fold from the wrist for the palm, going up and then down. And we'll finish off by signing our art and adding a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw a Christmas gnome. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. You can also drop your request in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.